Now, the Chief Justice of Nigeria, Justice Tanko Mohammed, has sworn in Justice Husseini Baba-Yusuf as the acting Chief Judge of the FCT High Court. The CJN also swore in 5 Khadis for the Sharia Court of Appeal in Abuja. Our judiciary correspondent, Celestina Area, reports.
Among the 5 Grand Khadis sworn in is Muhammad Abubakar, a former prosecutor with the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission. He is the prosecutor who represented the federal government in its case against the former chairman of the defunct pension reform tax team, Abdul Rashid Maina. He applied to the court to issue a bench warrant for the arrest of Mr. Maina after he jumped bail, and the court issued the warrant, which eventually led to the arrest and extradition of Mr. Maina to Nigeria. Other Grand Khadis sworn into the Sharia Court of Appeal are Salisu Garuba, Bashir Daalami Sule, Lawasule Abdullahi, and Abdullahi Aliru. The FCT was not left out as it has gotten a new chief judge in acting capacity. Justice Husseini Baba-Yusuf was the judge who presided over the case of the federal government against former National Security Advisor Sambo Dasuki at the FCT High Court. He has now been sworn in as the acting chief judge of the FCT High Court. The CJN applied to the newly sworn-in acting chief judge and the Grand Khadis to endeavor to be impartial, fair to all, and apply justice and equity in all their undertakings.
The words of the oath you have just taken must reside in a prime place in your heart and be generously applied in the daily engagement of both human and material sources of the Federal Capital Territory Judicial.
The acting chief judge and the Grand Khadis were advised to conduct their affairs within the ambit of the law. Justice Husseini Baba-Yusuf took over from Justice Salisu Garuba, who voluntarily retired as the chief judge of the FCT High Court, to resume duty as administrator of the National Judicial Institute. Celestina Area, TVC News, Abuja.